Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Sade. If you're new here, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So I started work today officially. Just got home. I forgot my camera, so I didn't get to do the whole, my first day impression and everything like that. But I just wanted to come and give y'all a recap, and then we'll try again tomorrow. But I just want to document this for documenting's sake. This morning I was just trying to go in with an open mindset. I remember telling y'all in a vlog, like, last year was one of my roughest year yet, so I had a little bit of anxiety about going into the school year. But I had an open mind this morning to just like go in and and I felt like today a lot of the things that I was concerned about and a lot of things that I voiced, my team members voiced, just the whole school, any concern that we have leaving out of last year's, we could tell that admin did their part this summer to like really own into providing structure and everything from day one, foundational stuff. So I'm pretty excited about the school year. It is going to be a lot of work. It's always stressful towards the beginning of the school year, just getting prepped, getting everything in order, making sure you have everything. They gave us new laptops today, which was fancy. They're touchscreen and everything, so I'm excited about that. At the end of last year, I made sure that all my files got transferred to our drive. So when I checked today, all my lesson plans are still intact, which is great. I think I still am gonna get like a teacher hard drive just to save everything on as a backup as well. Also have it on my Google Drive. I'm just trying to take all the precautionary things to make sure I'm set, because one thing about I've been teaching the same thing now for 5 years, so I recycle most of my lesson plans. They're not taught the exact same way, but as years go by, teaching is one of those things you get better with time, right? So I want to focus this year not just on the content area, also just like other stuff around my room. So once content is out the way, I can focus on different things, trying to bring joy into my classroom. But today was good. Sweet's got me flowers. They're upstairs. He's here and he wants me to make dinner, so I'm about to go make dinner. But I just want to come and give y'all a whole recap of what today looks like. Y'all sneak up on me some youth. I just want to give y'all like a little recap of what today wasn't bad. It was better than I expected it to be. Tomorrow we're actually going downtown for training, tomorrow and Wednesday, so I have to figure out public transport. I'm not driving downtown tomorrow. That's gonna be crazy. But yeah, I haven't had to do that in a while, so I feel a little tired, but I'm excited. That was a long-winded intro and everything, but I just wanted to give y'all a recap for today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. I forgot my camera again, but I feel like crap today. Yesterday I felt the feeling coming on, and today I feel like it hit me full force. But anyway, we move. I am heading to PD right now. I was gonna take the train downtown, but then I just like, yeah, no. So I'm driving. I'm gonna drive downtown and park, even though parking is ridiculous. I'm just gonna find a parking garage and pay for parking, and if I feel like it tomorrow, I'll catch a train. I just don't feel good, so I left out with ample time. Hopefully I can get a parking and get there on time. I stopped at Starbucks and got a caramel macchiato. There's something warm because my throat really hurts, so I got a bag of Halls from yesterday and everything. So I'll check in with y'all periodically throughout the day to just keep y'all updated and everything. But I just wanted to open up the morning and let y'all know what's up. I was gonna do my makeup, but I was like, if I do my makeup I gotta do my hair, and I was just like, no. Hey guys, let me hold the phone right. Hey guys, so I'm using the front camera. I can't see what's happening back there, but I just got downtown. I found a parking. It's $20 for the entire day, which isn't bad, really and truly, because I think if I was gonna catch the bus, it would have been $2.50. 4 times $2.50 is what? $10. I mean, it's $10 more, but then I have the convenience to, So anyway, I just got here. It's right up the street, so I'm about to walk in. I'm about to call my girl, we haven't seen each other in a minute. We used to work at the same campus, but she switched campus, so I'm gonna see her today so we can sit next to each other, because Lord knows we're gonna need each other to keep each other company through these PDs. I have 4 sessions today until 3:30, so Lord help me. And especially because I don't feel good, but I'm excited. So let's go in. I got breakfast and lunch at Starbucks. So I got a macchiato and I got an ice white mocha as well. Just because, you know, I know I'm gonna need it throughout the day. But anyway, I'll catch y'all later. I'm about to go in because they warned us not to be late, so I'm not gonna be late, okay? So ignore how I look. It's been like 4 days. I think the last time I checked in with y'all, it was Tuesday. Today's Friday, so it's been 3 days. I remember saying when I was going in that I didn't feel good. I ended up leaving PD early that day, and I came home. I was feeling so bad. Like, my mom touched me and she was like, oh yeah, I'm fine. Because I was like, I need you to feel my temperature. Like, I need her to check my temperature because at the time, heat was just coming out of my body. Like, I just felt heat coming from my eyes, my nose, my mouth, my ears. Like, everything was just like exuding heat. But then she said my temperature was fine. And I was just like, all right, cool. I probably just need rest. So I took some medicine and I laid down and I was there and I was just like, nah, this is not like, this don't feel like no regular sickness. So I had a COVID test in my drawer and I took it and I got COVID, y'all. It's not funny. I don't know. I think I went to Jamaica for a few days. I had to bring Kai down. But when the airport was shut down in Montego Bay, I was there. I actually ended up on the Observer. I'm going to insert a clip. But I think that's where I kind of caught it from. Because literally everybody was back in the airport, like, packed. Like, the airport was so packed. It was frustrating and everything. So I think that's where I got it from, because other than that, I didn't go anywhere else. I came home and I didn't go anywhere else. So yeah, I've been home, just going through the works. You know, it sucks. I'm so bored. I'm so lonely. Like, it just sucks. But I feel like I've just been resting. I've been watching a Netflix series, just like watching it. I'm like almost a season down, and it's a lot of episodes. So like, that's all I've been doing. I can't go to work. My classroom is not set up. I had a whole plan to take y'all with me to go do my classroom and everything, and none of that can happen. School start Monday. Nothing is done. Like, I'm just like, what a way to start the school year. But I'm not even stressing. I'm just going with the motions. Everything happens for a reason. Like, I'm just here. My hope is that when I test, I wanted to test like tomorrow, or Sunday, and see if I can be negative so that I could go back to work, because they're not giving COVID time anymore. So now I'm using my PTO, which I have plans. So I can't be using up my PTO. But I'm also not going to rush back to the building, obviously, if I'm not better. So, yeah. I just decided to come and give y'all an update because I haven't been vlogging. I have not uploaded a video. People have been hitting me up on Instagram. I didn't post anywhere that I had COVID. I don't think I am. I wanted to post it on my community tab just to say that I'm sick. Just to, like, you know, I know I haven't put out a video in a while, but I kind of feel like I just need to work on the video instead of posting that I'm sick. I don't know. But yeah, I am about to work on some stuff for my classroom and see where that takes me. I'm trying to decide on a theme. I'm going back and forth with the black, white, and red that I've been using for the past 4 years to something colorful, but I know I don't need colors. I just need to tone it down. I look rough as fuck on this camera. So yeah, that's the update, y'all. It's not so much what I intended this vlog to be, but it is what it is. If you're wondering what my symptoms were, like, I had really bad back pain, shortness of breath this time. This is my 3rd time catching COVID, by the way. I did get the vaccine. Yeah, I have shortness of breath right now. Just start talking. But shortness of breath this time around really was bad for me. Well, is because it's currently. I can't smell. I can't taste. And that's it. Day one was really bad. Today's better. Obviously, I'm congested and everything. But yeah. Ordered some stuff from Amazon that I needed for my classroom. Thankfully, I shipped them here and not to my school so that I can like update stuff. So I will check y'all a little bit later. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Hey y'all, so today's Saturday. I feel so much better. The only thing that I'm still affected by is the shortness of breath. I have to be conscious of that. Like, I'll feel so good that I'll just be going about my day, and then I'll like, oh my gosh, I can't breathe, I need to slow down. But and then obviously just my nasal tract is like a little affected. I'm gonna test later on to see if I test negative, because you're gonna need to go back to work. It's the start of the school year, so I never start out the school year like late. I always start whenever the student starts. So hopefully I could start on Monday, if not by the latest Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't know. But anyway, I'm here today. I stripped everything because I felt better. I stripped my bed. I'm gonna show y'all everything. My room is a total disaster because I'm currently just like cleaning up, organizing, reorganizing stuff that I thought I wanted. I'm like throwing out all of those things. So I'm just gonna just take y'all in. I'm gonna just take y'all into what I'm doing right now. I'm drinking water. Like, I'm so thirsty. If you're wondering, Kai's in Jamaica, so he hasn't been affected by this whole everything like that. I'm just hoping that I get negative by the time he comes back. Hence why I'm also just like cleaning my room, disinfecting everything. I'm currently not staying in my room though. For the first day when I was sick, I was down here, but I went upstairs to be closer to my mom during the night, because when I say my shortness of breath was so bad, y'all, like it were times like I felt like I couldn't breathe. Like my mom had to pull out the nebulizer to like nebulize me, to like stabilize my breathing and stuff. Like, this COVID took me out. Okay, it took me out. It came out of nowhere because Sweets is also coming today. I don't know why I'm so brave, you know. I don't know why I'm so brave, because I have COVID and I'm still have COVID, but I even say if my catch COVID-19, she catch it. So yeah, I went through my makeup drawer. My makeup desk is a mess. And I just like picked out my gold and silver jewelry that I have, that I'll be wearing to work on a daily and stuff like that here. And just like reorganize my closet and everything. I need to buy some more hangers. I am out of hangers. And I need to hang up more of my work clothes. This is the mess that I'm tackling now. Like I said, I changed my bedding and everything, so everything is in a wash. And I just threw like random stuff that I don't know where to put. Yet these Shein things, I think I'm gonna throw them out. Like, I keep them thinking I'm gonna use them, but I really don't. So I think I'm gonna throw those out. These are my toothbrush carrier thing for my toothbrush and stuff. So yeah, this is what I got so far. So my shades, I guess this one can go back here too. You know when you think you have a lot of something and then you put it out and you don't have a lot of something? Yeah, that's how I feel about shades. So I think I need to start purchasing those again. And these are just like new earrings that I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear and stuff like that. So I'm just like going through. So yeah, guys, as much as I wanted this to be like a prep, go back to work type of vlog, it kind of is, because the school year is starting. I need my space to be clean, organized, and everything like that. I'm not gonna have as much time like I did during the summer to deep dive and clean. So I need everything to be in order. So that's what I'm kind of doing right now, just to declutter a little bit. I made 2 piles on the floor of clothes that I just need to give up. Exhibit A. If you've seen me vlogged in this, yeah, y'all, it's time. And Sweets love this for reasons I will not say, but he likes it. He be like, "True on this now," but it's time. It's time. I want to tap into my soft life, my adulting, my grown woman, and that can't come with me. So that's going. So I have a pile on the floor that I'm gonna donate, a pile that's clearly trash and stuff like that. I'm also doing that with jewelry too, because you know, things that me used to like, me really like again and stuff like that. So that's kind of what I'm doing, because I feel better. I can still sit down and do what I'm doing. I don't feel like crazy. I know when I get to the bathroom, probably take me out because I'm gonna use chemicals. I still can't smell or nothing, but I don't want to overdo it. Guys, we are up and running again. We're 100%. So we're going outside. I told y'all Sweets was coming. He's here. We're going on the road. I'll go get brunch and just chill.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
Guys, oh my god, man, lay down and talk to you now. Yo, what's up? I have to lay down and talk to y'all. I literally just got home from work, y'all, and it's like 7 something p.m. Today was a long day. As y'all know, I didn't work I didn't work since last Tuesday because I had COVID. So I went into work today Monday. And I had so much to do. Like everybody else's classroom was set up and everything. So I had just got started with my supervisor already had set up my classroom, like the minimum, like the desk, put stuff where they did, like where they're gonna go. But like as far as the core go and really set it up like how I want to, I did that today. I wanted to vlog the whole process, but I forgot my camera and my phone is full, y'all. Like I can't record a 10-second video. I tried deleting stuff, but it wasn't working out, and I couldn't spend time like going through my videos and stuff because I had to work. And imagine if I was pausing doing all of that, because I legit just got home. Like, I took a chicken from morning, so I was gonna cook. I'm not even gonna cook no more. I'm gonna stop and get a corned beef. I'm gonna make that. I already have rice in the fridge, and that's gonna be dinner. But I'm so sad I didn't get to bring y'all through the whole classroom process. It would have been a good vlog, but the good thing is I'm not all the way done, so y'all will still be a part of it. I'll bring y'all tomorrow for sure. I'm gonna put the camera in my bag tonight so I don't forget, with extra batteries and everything, because we gotta get y'all gotta see. Good morning, guys. I wanted to give y'all a OOTD. I can't figure out if I'm going to work or church. I like this little dress. It could work for both. My only dilemma is I don't have any black shoes because I didn't go shoe shopping. I threw all my work shoes out last year because I thought I was going to come back on this new Miss Hamilton type tip. So now I only have one shoes. And it's these sandals looking thing that's not gonna match today, but we're gonna make it work. I'm trying to like put gold jewelry on to bring it out so that I can get away with the shoe, even though I know it's not gonna match, but we move. But yeah, I just want to come and give y'all a OOTD. I am about to head to work. It's 6:43. I want to go to work early today because I have some 1-2 stuff to finish up. So see y'all when I get there. Alright, y'all, so I designed these on Canva so every desk has a number on it, because when the students walk in, I'm going to project up here their name and their seat number, so they're just going to look for the number, and that's their assigned seats for now. I got these Velcro dots from Amazon. I can link them down below. They're perfect for sticking anything. It might not be the best thing for these right now because I could just see kids playing with it, but I'm gonna make the announcement and then just be vigilant about watching them and stuff like that. And eventually I'll probably just do what I do every year. I just don't have time, which is probably be the same time actually. I probably just do what I do every year and tape over them. But every year that I do it, it's usually a square, so it's easy to just like tape. This is a circle. I don't know, it's a little tricky, but I'm just going desk to desk doing this. I'm 3 desks down, so I just got these 4 desks to do. I'm just gonna do them really quickly. I'm so glad I came in early, but even then I feel like I don't have enough time. I don't want to break a sweat. It's too early, so I'm gonna catch y'all a little bit later when I'm like a little bit more settled. I'm just trying to like be ready, you know what I'm saying? So I hate this though. Usually I'm ready, prepped and ready and just chilling, probably just coming to work if I'm being honest. But you know, I had, like y'all know, COVID and everything, but I'll be back. Hey y'all, so it is lunchtime. I just taught 4 classes. I had a prep in between, and I'm tired. Y'all, I'm so tired already. It's crazy. I haven't had to do this in a while, and I was constantly up. Like, this is my first time sitting down. I made tea. I made tea earlier, but it got cold, so I'm gonna put it back in. But so far the classes aren't bad. My classes are double blocked, which means I get to see them for 2 periods. So technically I teach 3 classes but 6 periods, if that makes sense. So my first period, they're the honors group. Honors group is always pretty chill, respectful, like, you know, not rowdy. They could get it together. The group that I just had, I was like, oh, yup, y'all gonna give me a run for my money. But they were still good. Some of them that were like stood out to me as far as behavior, like I pulled them after class, not in like a bad way, but I just like checked in and I was just like, I'm here for you, like, you know, whatever you need, like kind of just trying to build that rapport, because those are the kids you have to like tap into early so that they can, you know, want to do work in your room. But I just realized that I did not give y'all a classroom tour, so let's go. All right, so once you come in from the door, I have this goals poster that I'm having classes do as they come in. So everything is like color coded, so I have different color post-it notes. Students are setting their goals on that. So as classes come in and do it, I just put them up. Eventually it'll be full. This morning it was blank, so I'm just doing it along the way. This is my board. I just lined it with what do you call it, masking tape. Down here I have be kind, work hard, dream big. These papers needs to be laminated. I'm not done yet. I have them up here because this is a part of my presentation today, to like teach them how to like enter the room and everything. These are books because I'm still passing out books. During my lunchtime I'm gonna put, I don't know if y'all can see that all the way, but during my lunchtime I'm going to stack books on here, and then eventually these are going to go to storage. I'm not sure what I'm putting on that wall yet. I do want to put something up there, but I gotta wait till Sweets come back in town because I'm not that tall. Over here, this is just like my little station for papers and stuff like that. Any handouts that I'll have for the day, I'll use it for that. Eventually calculators will be here. I don't know, just something there for now. And I have bins and stuff that I'm gonna collect work in. This should be this way. Yeah, I have this thing, I don't know whose it is, but it's not mine. I have my cart with my projector that I used to project on the board. Each desk, like I showed y'all this morning, has the math in the background and their color. So when the kids walk in, I'll have their name, a number, and then they'll just find that name and number and find where they sit at. It's just easy to make seating charts. And then this is what I was talking about when they come in. These are new books, so like when they come in, I'll just tell them to grab one for themselves. I got some anchor charts back here for the PA keystones. These I'm also going to use for just tracking purposes, tracking their work. And this is where I'm going to display their work. So you get the theme. It's just like very colorful with that kind of like color scheme and everything like that. As far as like my area is not completed at all, but it wasn't priority. Definitely wasn't priority. I still got stuff that I got to go through and stuff like that, but that's pretty much my room for this year. Guys, that's pretty much my room for this year. It's different. It's not too much though. And eventually the walls will be filled with like anchor charts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm about to start lesson planning, get that ball on the road. I'm not trying to be lesson planning every day. I have all my lessons, but every year I rewrite them and I update them and stuff like that. So that's what I'm about to do. I got a new chair too. I'm cool with the maintenance guy. As a pro tip, anywhere you work, it doesn't have to be in a school, be cool with the maintenance, the custodians, anybody that does services in your building, be cool with them, because he got me a new chair. Let me show y'all this whack chair that they gave me, y'all. It doesn't even have a back. I may have a bad back. So I got a fresh new chair. Me first, I sit down in there. My battery's about to die, so I'll catch y'all later. Officially just finished 1 week of school, of back to school and everything. We're about to go home. School ended probably like 25 minutes ago, but I just stayed back to like make sure everything for Monday is ready to go, because I don't like rushing. We start earlier now. We start at 7:40. We have to be here at 7:45 versus last year. I think we had to be here. I think class didn't get started last year until like 8:30. So yeah, that was a big jump. So I just want to make sure that everything is done before I leave. But y'all, it is so refreshing. I remember telling y'all in the vlogs that like last school year that, oh my gosh, this is so hard. Like this year is so hard. Like last year was one of the hardest years of me teaching. Like I thought about quitting like, oh my gosh, multiple times a week. And to come in this school year, I came in with an open mind. And it's so refreshing. Like these set of kids that we have now, whew, I feel like we deserve, like my team, last year we went through the works. So I feel like we deserve what we got now. They're a really good set of kids so far, you know. But usually kids start out, you kind of know what type of kids you have by like week 1 or 2. And it's Friday and I could do this. Like I feel like I could do this. Even if we're gonna hit roadblocks down the way, like right now it just feels doable, feels good. And everything like that. So I just wanted to come and check in before I leave out and show y'all some things that we did this week. I think I already showed y'all my room and I kind of explained what one of the walls was going to look like. So I kind of want to show y'all that before I head out. The last time I showed y'all this, it was pretty much empty, right? So the kids did their goals. I kind of gave them different colored post-its and then I organized it by color. So they set their goals for this repair period. And then since we'll be doing a lot, I need to put some more up. Since we'll be doing a lot of partner work, I also had them create like a criteria of what it should look like as we do partner work. And as you can see, the theme, like everything is just like in this order, like the color spectrum. Today we did some computer work. I do have some more post-it notes that I need to put up, but I'm heading out the door. But this is my little organization place and everything like that. We also did a project this week that I didn't display it, but I'm going to display it outside. I think that's going to be my task for Monday. I really wanted to put it up today so that when they come in Monday, they can see it. But I want to go home. So I might just put it up Monday morning. I'll probably come in early. My goal is to get here by like 7, like the latest 7:30. When I get here 7:30, parking is like ridiculous. So I want to get here by 7. So if I get in early on Monday, I'm going to put up the projects that they did and display it outside and everything. I told them to make it cute or whatever. So it's really good. Like we have a good set of students this year. Not saying that last year was bad or anything, but like they were difficult. Miss Hamilton out, Sade activated.